How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. So another check that we're going to do on the Honda is we're going to check the wheel bearings. So it's not a very complicated check unless there's a problem with the bearings, of course, but generally it's a quick and easy check to do. So let's have a look, and we're going to check wheel bearings front and back. So I've got the jack under the actually I put it right underneath the trailer hitch and cranked the bike up. So to check the bearings, I like to just wiggle them from top and bottom and left and right. That seems okay. So that's a good bearing, I'd say. Now I'll check the other side. Do the same in the front. If there's issues, I'll come back and show you. But basically what happens with bearings is you'll get flop, like back and forth. It just seems like the wheel is loose on the hub and it's a bad bearing. The front end's a little different, so maybe I will tape the front end, because the front end, we've got tie rod ends on it, and the tie rods can be sloppy and make the wheel wobble. So I'll video the doing the front ones. So I've got the front end jacked up now, and again, you're just checking to see if there's looseness. Kind of hold the steering wheel and wiggle that a little bit. Hold the steering wheel. Would you believe hold the handlebars? And then while it's up, you can turn it around and you can check the boots and also the tie rod ends. I'd like to show you some of this stuff, but it's so darn dark in there. I have a hard time seeing it. Anyway, they all look good. A little bit of play in that one, but nothing abnormal. They look good. The swing arms look good. Or the A-arms. The A-arms, I guess they're called, on a Honda. They look good in the pivot points, ball joints. I guess you call those ball joints. Yeah, they look good. And the dry boots all look good, so that's nice. Okay, so not much to check on wheel bearings, eh? Just give the wheels a little shake, top and bottom, left and right. The front a little more complicated because the ball joints come into play there and the steering knuckles. But you can just, go easy and shake the wheels just to try to move the wheels. But you can also cheat a little bit and check your ball joints while you're checking the wheel bearings, because you can turn the wheel right around and get a good look at the ball joint, wiggle it back and forth and see if there's any play or movement in the ball joints. And you can check the rubber boots that go on the universal joints that go to your front drive, and the rubber boots that are on the ball joints. So you can wheel in a couple of checks there while you're doing the wheel bearings. Efficiency, name of the game, right? Anyways, hope you liked the video. Not much to it, pretty quick. But checking wheel bearings, that's important. So click like, click subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. I'm glad you dropped in. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you drop back again to Grampie's workshop. We'll talk to you.